Hello friends, my name is Kavita. I am a student of American Institute. My sir has given me a task for a social awareness. But my topic is water pollution. All knows today's biggest problem of water pollution. That's why I selected this topic, water pollution. I wanted to tell you something about water pollution. If you drink dirty and smelly water, so it will cause diarrhea, stomach pain, liver infection, etc. So many problems, so many. It's very harmful for us. And the water pollution directly affect to human body and our environment. That's why government sets many plants for clean the water. According to WHO report, according to WHO report, around 8 lakh 42,000 deaths every year due to drink dirty and smelly water. And the littering of plastic in the lakes and rivers has made the very dirty and toasting. The natural source of clean the water and fresh water diminishing day by day. All knows very well ki how to pollution increase day by day. So that's why clean water diminishing day by day. And if the water pollution not controlled and lake and rivers not clean, that it is obviously third world war. You all know first world war and second world war, so it's called third world war. That's why I just tell you, please take care yourself and drink the water before boil the water before you drink. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you all.